What the fuck's going on?
Fuck, Steve's going fucking crazy. Can you please let me in? He has my phone. I don't even fucking have it. I don't know what to do. He found out.
Found out what?
About us, about me cheating. He took my phone when I was asleep and he found out. He found the text messages and he's going fucking crazy. He's destroying the house. Please let me in.
Come in, come in, come in.
Fuck, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know how this happened.